Reducer on that side. So we'll only put the one coupler here. Stub flange to the reducer. And then another stub flange on the 3.5. So like that. You don't have to add anything.
Yep. What I'll do is I'll sketch it out before I go.
Yeah.
And I'm just recording the drill.
That just gives us a bit of room to work with. Get everything lined up properly. Down, bro, I'm going to sort the welder out. Come back.
Yeah.